Okay, uh, the chapter 10 respiration in plants and animals. So, this is the last part of the chapter. Already we have discussed the respiration in human being, different animal. And today we'll discuss the respiration in plants. As plants is a living organism, they also require energy for their different function. So, they respire. Let's see how they respire. As the plants are different living organisms than us, so they respire differently. So let's discuss. So first point is here, all the parts of plant independently respire. Independently they respire. See, in the organism there is a particular organa there which is going to be respire or exchange of gases takes place. No. But in different organism different organs are there. So here in the plant case, the different part of the plant independently they are respiring. Let's see what the parts. The parts are green leaves and stem, green leaves and green stem. Next is the woody stem, most of the stem, the trunk one, and the root. So as they are different color, different structure, so they have different part by which they respire. Okay. So are these green leaves, woody stem and roots are respire differently or independently, means they must have different part or cell by which they are respiring. So let's see what are those things. So in the leaf case, we find over here, I have drawn a leaf and you can see I have drawn some small opening over here. This small tiny pore opening is called your stomata. Okay, it is called your stomata. So this is a diagram of a stomata. So stomata and this side, the wave-like structure, the wing-like structure is called your guard cell. Okay. So stomata, what is the stomata? Stomata is the tiny pores present in the green part of the plant. Not only leaf, those part are green. They all are contained this stomata. Okay, this small tiny pore. वो इतना छोटा है, इतना tiny है that we cannot see in the naked eyes. We need microscope for this. Okay, and in a leaf, in the green part, in a particular part, we get millions of stomata, not 2, 3, 4, millions of stomata, and mainly maximum number of stomata is found in the lower part of the leaf. Lower part of the leaf. Okay, lower part, the maximum number of stomata are present. So it's a small opening. So they are having a guard cell. So guard cell is what is the function? It's going to be close and open the stomata. Okay. So when the gases are coming, it open it. When it is not required, so it is closing it. This is how it is maintaining the stomata opening. So through this, the plant take carbon dioxide, take oxygen for its process of photosynthesis and respiration, and after the process is done, it releasing also carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay, when it is doing photosynthesis process, it taking carbon dioxide. You all know about it. In the photosynthesis process, it taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. In the respiration process, it taking oxygen and given out carbon dioxide. Okay, so these two processes is happening simultaneously at the daytime, and the night time plant only respire. They do not doing any photosynthetic process because light is not there. So this is how the green part of the plant respire through the stomata. So here the leaf stomata is the feature or the cell which allow the respiration process and the process of photosynthesis here. Next, move to the woody stem. Okay. So this is over. Next, move to the stem part, woody stem, जो कि brown color का होता है, and also some stems are leaving or releasing is extracting or discarding a skin. No, that's called dead cell. So let's see woody stem. How woody stem respire? So they don't have, because they are not green, they don't have stomata. So instead of that, what they having? They having woody stem contain lenticel. What? Lenticel. So if it is a woody stem, so it contain ऐसे woody stem है. This is the cell. This is like a structure cell. Okay. So if I do a bigger one, so there is a ऐसे the circular cells are there in the brown part of the wood or the stem one. This is called your lenticel. Okay. So the lenticel contain lots of space. You can see these are the spaces. Okay. They contain lots of space, and this space allow the exchange of gases. Through these spaces, they are taking carbon dioxide or they are taking oxygen for their various processes, or for the respiration process they are taking the gases through these spaces present in the lenticel. So lenticel allow the woody or browny stem for the process of respiration by allowing the exchange of gases. So remember this, these are lenticel. So woody stem contain lenticels. Understand? Next move to the root. So root are not brown, not green, they are mostly white in color. Okay. So if it's a root, how they are respired? Let's see. So roots, root. So root is the white part of the plant mostly, so it is not green, so it doesn't contain any stomata, not a brown, so it doesn't contain any lenticel. Then how it is respired? And you know, root is always, almost all the root are under the soil. Under the soil means if it is under the soil, it cannot respire through atmosphere. Atmosphere से air को respire नहीं कर सकता. So how to respire? Respire from air trapped in soil. So soil also contains some air trap. No, from that soil, the trapped air in soil is absorbed by the root. Okay. So which part is absorbing actually? So here the part is root hair. What? Root hair. So root hair absorb air from soil and the respiration process takes place. Okay. So if in a root, if it is a root, these are the root hairs, again the root hairs. So now if the root hairs are more number of root hairs, more absorption of air. Okay. So root hair responsible for the respiration process or exchange of gases in the root part. So this is how the different part of the plant respire independently. So always people think the respiration only takes place through the stomata in the plant, but no, the different part of the plant respire differently. So you have understand, leaf respire through stomata, woody stem respire through lenticel, and root respire through what? The root hairs. Okay. I hope you all understand the respiration process in plant. Thank you.